I'll build our home with bleeding hands. Let it break with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just turn to an empty sky. I'm still reading out that book where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, can the cold will let me go? But silence is all I know. You warm your cup, I fix your tie. Watch you chase your dreams and flies. I give you wings, I stood behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still reading out the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Every pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But praises don't go that far. So I sing here on this stage, all I'm tired and full of rain. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still within, still the same.